Here, do it. Oh, it's erupting. For the final time, it's all the powders. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's bubbling. What do you think?
Cool.
Super cool.
Logan.
Good. I think it's cool and good. Look at it.
Oh, you gotta have the funnel. I understand now.
No, he doesn't get it. Very good.
Very realistic. I really like that a lot.
Good teamwork. So you guys happy with your volcano?
Yeah. Yeah. We made a volcano.
You guys made a volcano.
What do you think?
Let's crack this open.
Alright, I'll get a hammer and we can go outside. Don't use the scissors. That will not work.
Why do you want to crack it open?
It's a geode.
There's crystals inside here.
That's so cool.
Yeah. I saw crystals and rocks of flood. Mommy, remember that time when we did science at home, and we cracked rocks open and there was crystals inside.
Logan, don't go out there. Back door.